Magbalik niya po yung personalan at kaya betala pa mo rin po ding ausan tamong movers and shakers and they are literally moving and shaking the Kapampangan communities here in the United States of America. At kaya betaya po, metong pang Administrative Commissioner na ning Pampanga Day Celebration Commission. Mr. Rodel Lumanog. Hello, kamusta kayo po?
Maya po, dakal pong salamat at miyabe ko kayo.
Ay, siyempre po. Ayan, we're talking about ining Pampanga Day celebration and I would say the noble cause, no? The noble objectives of this group. Okay, how far do you think this group going? Where is it going? Ano ka rin yung direction na nini? It's now your 5th year?
Yes.
Ano ka rin niya papunta?
So far, running Kayabi kong commissioner, we've been had a meeting just recently na sabi rapin na there's some other towns or city in America which they want to do also Pampanga Day celebration na nanggagawan niking Pampanga which is just yung maswerte tampi na dinatang niya yung ex-president tamo Pilipinas si Miss Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo at saka yung kakatabing governor na promote day yung Pampanga Day. Pampanga, I think 400 years or 440 years. Yeah, 40th years na. Which is, ining meto kang biliming i-disseminate information. Kareng ang Pampanga, buong Amerika. Na if we could, mariyaring mag-celebrate lang malati o maragol na dahil Kapampangan la, ito yung siya ng mariari, yung gagawa da. Masiw ka nila man, for that week, they could celebrate being a Pampanga. Pampangenyo.
Yeah. Rodel, being with the Ways and Means Committee, I know that organizing a commission like this, my goodness, and if you want to make it nationwide, this definitely will entail a lot of expenses on your part. So, nano ing pwedeng gawan or nano yung pwedeng isaw bang kanta ma-sustain ining makanya na noble objectives yun?
Actually, as ngening kasalukuyan ngeni, siguro agamit kay yung panga-presidente ko kay Pilam Chamber of Commerce. Siya ko yung presidente na ng Pilam Chamber of Commerce. So, marakal kami sopan through that channel na kay Pilam Chamber of Commerce. Maswerte ko pin at yung kening Pampanga Day Commission Celebration. Ining gagawan mi ngeni kami mag-compete kareng aliwang organisasyon. Himburi mi bakit kareng organisasyon metong tamo mo. Kami makipag-compete kaya kayo, kami masanting kaya kayo, kayo
kami mas noble kaya kayo.
Yes. Himburi ming bakit karela na kayo kakompetasyon. Kasahop yo kami. Metong tamo mo, gawa tamong metong alagyo im Pampanga impeka masanting lugar king Pilipinas. So palagi ko pin akalo pa na nga sabi ng Mr. Mike Cueco, bisita tala kaya katamong ex-president Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, kaya katamong governor na pakit na kaya katamo nung makanano deng magawang progressive in Pampanga nung kanano deng gawan masanting. Kami keni malyari kaming sumawp karela through Michael Cueco and the group.
I have a little question here. The commission is named Pampanga Day Celebration Commission. Doesn't that limit your objectives, Kalari? Does that mean that the commission is only after celebrating annually the Pampanga Day celebration? Doesn't it have any other subsidiary or ancillary objectives?
Actually, right now, during our last meeting, I told them a lot of people outside the katamong Pampanga Day Commission. I think we should use that also as our acronym, also known as Pampanga Day Commission o Pampanga Day Commission. Because when sinabi mong Pampanga Day, you are not masasabihan na Santo Tomas Day, Apalit Day. Uling ito sinabi mo ito, magka-division na
Yes, divisive.
That's why ito sinabi mo, ito sinabi na Mike, ito sinabi mong Pampanga Day.
Kapampanga yun.
Kapampangan kami nga. Ngayon when we say Pampanga Day, it is one day in a year. Ay may itong asosasyon na magsabi kay kami. So, pag may mag-celebrate kaya Tamborida. Ultimately, we say, where are we going? Where are we going? We are starting to follow what we started 2 years ago. recognizing outstanding Kapampangans.
Outstanding Kapampangan.
We can always say, metong kay karang minunang minye award or recognition ka Mr. Jess Española. Ngayon, abanggit ng Mike, metong mo naman Pilipinong Kapampangan Heritage, he won the Oscar Award.
Yes.
And then, metong famous chef of cook ng Wolfgang Puck is Cecil de Castro, Kapampangan from Santa Rita.
Wow.
We are going to recognize these people this coming December. So, actually, una nung ipagmaragol mo po kami wala rin iba. But we are setting the trend to recognize this Kapampangan, whether they are from Santa Rita, from Mapalit, or what.
Yes.
Basta they are all from Pampanga.
Of course.
Makananing kaya.
They're all Kapampangan.
They're all Kapampangan.
So I see the direction there, Mike. No, unifying, no, unifying all Kapampangans here, recognizing the talent of the Kapampangans, preserving and promoting Kapampangan culture and heritage. My God, you have your hands full.
Maureen, I'll say, sabi ko, kung Bimini, which is Mariari, it's just a matter of giving it. For that one day, it's only a day in a year na rin Kapampangan na sabi, Kapampangan tamo, hindi nga Bimini kayo. Hindi kami commissioner na manakit kami masanting a venue, the place for the whole day. Tapos makasaup kaya kami na liwang asasyon o liwang mover and shaker mo naman king Kapampangan. Rin kaya katamong politician dahil sa Pilipinas na sabi na karelang constituent kaya ti Pilipinas na ating Pampanga Day celebration for that day. Kung disseminating information ito yung masanting. That's all thing that we were hoping na agawami, kaming commissioner. Diyan pilang kami mo. Na with your help, Maureen Neni, na you're part of this media. Kung sabi mo yun na once a year, that's what we're hoping. Once a year na mikitikat na makasabi ka Kapampangan, makapagsalita Kapampangan makanini. I think it's a good endeavor, I would say,
Yeah.
And,
Yes,
and
Rodel.
dagdag ko sa sabihan ng Mike, kami manyingil agyang nano mo.
Really?
Alang singil. Just like what happened last December, then tao masaya la kasi may gumpisa kayo libreng pamangan, libreng danom, libreng inuman, ating kaya pa mag-entertain. Para saya la rin tao.
Feeling ko more than a commission, this seems like a foundation. Giving back to the people and making, without expecting anything in return. I think you can evolve into a foundation more than a commission para ka na. What do you think, Mike?
Pero, Maureen, another concept na isip ko na sabi ko, bahal mo rin Kapampangan nila, they're very one of the best culinary kaya.
Yes.
Pero sabi ko yung karening commissioner, let's disseminate information na. Sabi natin, Rodel, kami manyingil. Pero rin, sabi ko na, rin ang Kapampangan, kung bisalang datang, dalan din karelang heritage culinary, heritage menu. Itang karelang menu na, o kahit recipe da.
Yes.
Pakit da yan patikim da. So at least, at lang manyela sample, so it becomes
Yung contribution da.
it becomes a cottage industry, parang home business da.
Yes.
Just imagine na atin na sariling home business. That's one of our business concept for the Pampanga Day
You know
celebration.
what, Mike? It seems like providential that I am here. Because when I was with the foundation, I've been with a foundation. It's called Foundation for Lingap Kapampangan Inc. In Pampanga. I was with the likes of Mangobia Jess Lasatin, Tatang Jess Lasatin, Tatang Jerry Rodriguez, or any ring mga icons in Pampanga when it comes to culture and heritage. And we were celebrating, we actually conceptualized a week-long celebration of Pampanga Day together with the provincial capital. We actually have what we call the Kapampangan Food Festival. So each town, what you're actually saying. So malang providential na kung ngeni kaya kayo. And then we also started the now famous Sinukwan Festival. I don't know if you people here in America, Kapampangans, know who Apong Sinukwan is.
Sa Rayat?
Okay, we know that he is he is actually the demigod who supposed to be lived in Arayat, but it is actually the symbol of the Kapampangans. That's why in festival tamo ken Pampanga during the Pampanga Day is called the Sinukwan Festival, because it is actually embodying who a Kapampangan is, Aring Sinukwan. See, that's a trivia for you, Kapampangans here in Pampanga, and also for you people in a Pampanga Day celebration.
I think almost 1 year ago, the artist Santa Rita,
Santa Rita, yes.
were here. They were hosted by Mike and his family prior to their concert somewhere in Long Beach. Kinta na Kenny, kinanta ng Panay Kapampangan, and
You can do that.
yeah,
You
Mike,
can do that.
Mike was a host for them, and he sent them to Disneyland.
There are a lot of Kapampangan groups. You know what? May excite po, pati ako may excite, because I'd like you people to know that in Pampanga, there is now the so-called Renaissance. It is like a reawakening. Uling ding tao ken Pampanga, it seems like, the past few years, migigising lang ken katutuan na kailangan we embrace our own culture, because there are a lot of Kapampangan groups already na mibubuklat ka rin, makikreate ka rin. A lot of Kapampangan songs are being created there. So, dakal tapa pwedeng pisabyan, at sabi ko pin po, ako mismo may excite ko keng gagawan da rening tao nga reni, rening movers and shakers Kenny. Anyapin po, kayo maglipat channel, uling magbalik ya po Personalan!
Ako po yung Rodel Lumanog, meragul ko po king Springside, Barrio Pandan, Nangangila City. Karing ko po meragul at buri ko sanang kumustan din ka kong ka-barrio king Barrio Pandan, Springside po. Ang po yung kaya kaming mayor, Mayor Ed Pamintuan. Sana po makapunta ako kay ni Mayor, kay ni King Pampanga Day kay December. Pero dahil lumanag po ini. Lakad po, salamat.
Ako po yung Mike Cucueco, taga Guagua. May bayit ko king Natividad. Ako yung Executive Commissioner na yung Guagua Pampanga Day Celebration Keti Los Angeles. Kukumbida kay yung Mayor Making Guagua, Rick Rivera, na special na makarating niya kay kaming Pampanga Day Celebration kay December 3. Salamat po kay kayuman.
May panganak ko po kanda ba? Bayo ko meto kyan yung lagyo ko placer. Karas Kenny America, lari na nga usta ka na ako. Nga po rin tangay makakilala ka na ako Kenny America, itong sinabi ka na ako, itong lari, eda ako ba no? Makanyan, maningay ko po binayo. Agyame ko na kinipakakandabenyo ko. Preta pong tao kaya nakamagana ako, ang poreng kalugoran mo, sana po makatagon ko Kenny. Makanyan man, nung ikomiratang detang kamag-anak tamang at Kenny, Los Angeles, pakisabi yung mantala Kenny. Yung imbitasyon mo po, payapot naman mga Mayor Jerry Pelayo, dakal tamong kandabenyo Kenny, at sana po Julio makaras na Kenny kung kaya kanong pamitagon. Agyan po na nung gagawang Kenny king Pampanga Day Commission, daralang ko pa mo rin ka na ako pa kandabenyo. Dakal po, salamat.
Josephine Borja Phillips po king America, pero lalo na pong kilala king balen na ning Arayat, Baby Borja. Uli pong making talaturo ko king Arayat, so aus na ka na ako baby. So ngayon po kukumbiran mayor ing makamalwing mayor, Mayor Chito Espino, para datang kiniking selebrasyon making Pampanga Day ken December 3. At then hanggang pong memalen na ning Arayat, ang pong aliwa pang balen na bisang tumagon kay pami katago na ini, betong niya pong masayang pamiyabi-abi dari hanggang Kapampangan. Sana po makaratang kayo at bang biyabi-abi atangan ang pong pagsayan ingaldo na ning Kapampangan. Dakal pong salamat at kumusta po kay kayungan.